Ah, Bring Me the Horizon, everyone's favorite band. Oh, what's that? You want to become Bring Me the Horizon? Well, today you're in luck. I'll be teaching you how to become Bring Me the Horizon. Alright, so before you sound like Bring Me the Horizon, you need to sound like Bring Me the Horizon first. Like this.
Our bands that sound like this is really cool because we were just playing stuff that sounded like Cheap Dillinger, Escape Plan and Norma Jean and stuff, and it went.
Alright, so Bring Me the Horizon consists of 5 people. We have Ollie, obviously, doing the vocals, and then we have Jordan doing the synthesizers, and then we have Lee Malia on the guitar, and we have Matt doing the drums, and we have the basses. Okay, before we go, I want to show you something interesting. So if you look at the bass, the drums, and etc., you can see that Jordan has a tiny part in every single one of it. Like there's bass, there's Jordan bass, there's drums, there's Jordan drums. Alright, now let's become Bring Me the Horizon. Welcome to the best door in the universe, Ableton. Alright, so if you look here, we've got all of these things here. Yes, we've got the bass here, we have the drums, the Jordan drums, we have the chords and lead, some effects, some whooshes, some psh and psh, and then this thing, and then in the end of Parasite Eve, there's like an orchestra. So I tried doing it as well. And then the reference track is just Parasite Eve, just so I can compare my track and Bring Me the Horizon's track. So yeah, let me show you. Alright, so first you want to start with your Jordan bass. So Jordan, he does his thing. And in the Jordan bass, okay, let me show you how it sounds like. Yeah, very I don't know how to describe it. It's like very trance or something. So basically there's 3 elements to this. There's a sub, and there's a basic sub. We have an arp, which does this thing. It just goes up and down. And yeah, pretty basic bass, Jordan bass. Alright, next up we have Jordan drums. So Jordan drums is it's the kind of drums that you hear when you're going to the hood with your homies. Like this. It's like it gives that. It's basically trap drums, but more yeah, it's basically just trap drums. It should sound something like this. Alright, so for part B, you're gonna need palm muted guitars, to bring up the anticipation. Something like this. And then for the Jordan synthesizer, you want a slightly detuned synth. So let me show you, it sounds like this. Okay, and all together it should sound like this. Alright, so the next part is the vocals for the B section. So we have a high voice here, a higher octave voice. Okay, the middle one I'm not going to show you is the raw thing. And then we have a low voice. Okay, maybe. Alright, I mean it sounds bad on its own, but let me show you all together. It sounds really cool. So this is what we've got so far for section B. And then in the chorus part, Bring Me the Horizon, they try to put in, you know, like real instruments like, you know, bass, guitar, etc. Yeah, basically it's a very simple metalcore like chorus, but it just has like a few electronic you know, synthesizers here and there, you know. So the bass, let's go and check out Matt here. It's basically the guitar but just one octave lower. I don't have a bass. Alright, let's go to the drums. Alright, so now we finally get to use real drums. Yes, real drums. I am using a free drum plugin called MT Power Drum Kit. Okay, it sounds like this. Alright, so we've done the whole song. Okay, I mean, I did some things here and there off the screen, but here is the final result. Check it out. Ready? Shh.